Hey guys, Mike from FIGST Engineering here, and this week we're going to look at installing adjustable suspension components for the GR Corolla. Now we installed the Ohlins RT track and lowered this about 2 inches over stock, which induced some natural issues with the suspension geometry. So we were looking to correct those, and Whiteline released their suspension linkages, and we decided to give those a shot in addition to these adjustable front lower control arm bushings. Now these bushings are available in several configurations. We use the anti-dive configuration here, given as a front-wheel drive, as well as rear lower lateral links to resist some of those cornering forces, and of course the rear upper control arms to adjust camber. Now with the whole thing installed with the Ohlins RT track, this is really a pretty simple setup to get a decent street alignment. Naturally, that's going to have less camber than, say, something at the track. Of course, we did some final dial-in on those Ohlins shocks via the lower adjustments on the rear and the front. Now, the results were nothing short of amazing, and this thing really handles like something else. If you're interested in any of these components, they are on the site now.